So Gene, thanks so much for sitting down with us. Could you go into the water feature itself, why it's important to you?
The water feature really filled in a very difficult space, not only in a yard, but in a house. The corners are always a problem, and I didn't know what to do with it. I did have a water feature at one of my other houses, so I thought, well, why not? So that's why I got it. And then once I got it, I started realizing not only did it fill a corner, but it brought a whole other wonderful stuff to the yard. The thing I like about it is, it's not just a water feature there. It blends into the rest of the yard. It's a part of the yard. Everything just came together. And that's the thing that I found surprising. I thought, well, it'd be a water feature, okay, big deal. It's not a big deal. It's the biggest deal I ever did in this yard, really. Amazing.
So of all the things that you've done, is it safe to say that this is kind of your favorite corner of the yard?
No doubt.
Okay.
No doubt. People look at a water feature and they say, oh yeah, that looks nice and that. But to me, it's much more than a visual experience. It's an emotional experience. It's a calming, meditational experience. The sound of that water takes me right back up to the high Sierras. I'm sitting there with a fishing pole in my hand, rainbow trout in front of me. I close my eyes and I'm there. No matter what happens during the day, I come out here in the evening, turn that on. Everything is great.
So would you say it's become more of like a ritual when you come out here?
Is it a ritual? I don't know, that seems a little harsh. I think it's a little bit less than a ritual. It's more of a meditational healing experience. You notice someone gave me a Buddha statue there, and it just goes along with the whole thing. It's not a ritual, it's what I do after I've finished the day, made all the mistakes I'm ever gonna make. Everything has gone wrong for me. Comes out here and everything is right. It's just a beautiful feeling.
So you were saying that you had a water feature at your previous house.
Yeah.
And then this is your second location, but then this would be your third water feature that we did for you?
Not the third that you did for me. This is the first one you did for me. But as far as I'm concerned, the only water feature that I had. The first one was a little stream in the corner of the yard. The second one was here. And it was a nightmare. It was not done by anyone who knew how to do a water feature. And that's when I got a hold of you.
So what were some of the issues that you were having before you got a hold of us, and what made you finally decide to have it redone?
Well, because a number of reasons. One, it was done very crudely. Number two, I'm sort of a miniature rock hound. And I looked at that one. There were rocks that were metamorphic. There were rocks that were igneous, intrusive igneous, extrusive igneous, sedimentary rocks, all jumbled together, and you will never find anything like that anywhere on Earth. It just wasn't right.
So who built that water feature? Because a lot of calls I get are, hey, we have a problem with our water feature, can you fix it? Our gardener or landscaper or hardscaper said he could do it, he did everything else great, but this fell way short of the mark. So can you help us understand what that process was for the first version of this, and then maybe go into what happened when Carlos and I came out to rebuild your water feature?
Yeah, it was exactly what you said other people have told you. It just didn't look right. It looked, but they were excellent landscapers. This was a new build. There was the builder landscaping in the front. In the back, it was just dirt and rocks. And so I had to put something in. I got a landscaper. He did a great job. The front looks great. The back here is fine. And they said, oh yeah, we can put in a water feature. I had to call them back 3 times because the first one, I'm not even going to go into how horrible it was. It was unbelievable. And but your other customers are right. landscapers are not made to put in water features. They just don't have the sensitivity that you do. And that's something I noticed when you were working. You had this, it was like, almost like watching a great artist paint a beautiful picture. You had all the tools, you had all the materials out here, and you put this together. And to me, it's a work of art. It's beautiful. Everything fits perfectly. You look at it, and you don't get the feeling, well, it might look better if that rock was here. No. It's perfection. What can I say?
Well, thank you. That actually, it means a lot.